Ni suweng pa sa kanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko narum chaksoa, anga Alicia A. Sangma na simang na dalin kuburang ko para katinga. Kata bichongrang, NGO rang Skotong Minister ko Gronga MOU ni gaman agan grka. CM, tala Bidingo manyanyo bakur anga. RR Magto NPP o ni UDP o na party jita. Report dorbar, jorapato kasino abachingat na maniko jegala. Chigumagpa kuburang, adog ni Skotong shi konar ke sangma, yajani kulgugutam tariko, media ni mandrang baksa agan gulpuan ni kodako, adog ni Sorkar aro Meghalaya Assam border jolo dongeng keparang na kamrang ko chusokat na kringa ni ko thalat na, tala niknika ni unga. Aro bilsi hajagani chisa ni report ketade bangbata songrang, Assam ni jolo ko aka aniwa aga nangaha. Yarang ko dengtangat na de namin ningani ungen. Memorandum of Understanding soy kamanahan ni gaman bukplat na mandakjok. CM, NGO rangko Gronga ya border ni gaman gulpuan ni ko dakanga. Wamang phase 1 ni area dengtang grekani ROJ song Meghalaya adok ni ngongja, warang ni gaman gulpuan ni ko daka, aro wamang wa jolo dongeng keparang ni dengtang niknikani rang, aro jajenga ni ko wanidol baksa chanchigrama ni ko daken ene agani machotanga.
Historical facts also, we've shown them the 2011 report, which was the basis on which the entire discussion happened. And we showed them that how the villages that have been mentioned by them was already in the 2011 map shown in Assam. And therefore, it was very difficult for us to change that map and that report that was submitted by government of Meghalaya in 2011 and include those villages that they had mentioned. And hence, it was a huge challenge, and we had to move forward with that report of 2011, and they have understood this now. But of course, their concerns are still there. They say that the people's will is there, and the fact that people desire to be in Meghalaya, and they would like to see that this, at least those few areas that are there, some kind of steps could be taken to work out something in those areas. So we can't say anything right now. But of course, the second phase has started. So while those discussions take place, we will see how to move forward. And in the meantime, we can of course hear from the NGOs also what they have to say. But I think we have clarified, all the details to them, and they have understood the technical challenges that are there, and they've realized also, I presume that how this entire process had moved forward and how we came to this conclusion. But as I said, that there are concerns, and we will do our best to try and address those concerns.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yajani kulgutam tariko Mukla West Jaintia Hills o Bidingo mo bakur angaha. Yamanyanyo joli mandirang na salam ko nan baksa yatalbia manyanyo jekon bulsi gni ni jaman songat na mantay ngachem yanok bakura na matne anga namin kusiunga ne Conrad Sangma aga nangaha. Sorkari pangnan mandirang na andak pa manyani rango bakura runga aro tangka paisa rang chiba namgapa manyarang ko ngat na takchak runga anewa aga nangaha. Saint Raid Mukla ni na ramarang ko tharina tangka paisa rang chi dakchaken, jeda ko diya Bidingo manya ni pangnan dongkham na manggen, aro jat ni aro asung ni dakpewal rang ko rakina, manggen aro yachin gepen biap rango ni rona, reba gebarang ko ba, yamanya ni ona salbana manggen ene Conrad Sangma aga nang kuaha. Wamang baksa yamanya ni odong bakur ang geparang MLA Sotun, jirang aro MLA Wailat Miki Shilla, Argentia Hill Autonomous District Council ni mandirang unga.
In this manner, and therefore today it gives me extreme pleasure and joy and happiness to be here amongst all of you, to be able to celebrate the Bidingo Festival, to be here to celebrate our culture, to celebrate the faith, and to celebrate the identity of the people of our state.
Shri RR Magto NPP ni Senior Vice President Jan Umsing Constituency ni nga wa UDP o napa. Shri Magto KHADC ni Gacham Chief Executive Member aro Chairman unge kumi bioba term bunga na kamko kaangaha. Shri Magto ya agan kanyo ribank pa hasagni kurukni ni adog ni election no uni nikanyo adog ko sorkari kuruk na gapa de UDP no agenok anewa aga nangaha. Wa ribank pa election no antang election no chakatken machakat jawa yakode parakat jaha. Report dorbar ni mandirang jilma yajani kulguguk tam tariko Sorkar ni jowa khalani ko jorabato abachingat na mani ko jegala ani parakatanga Jen report district ni jurisdiction ng ogaka. Pangbata socio-cultural organization rang NGO rang chatro chatri rang nidol rang guljani dil keparang, political leader rang, aro gepun dil keparang yakwa baching atani ko rakhalin jegala. Wamang aga na nga, ye MDA Sorkar ni yakwa baching na magsungani de kali NPP ni dil keparang san masya. Yakwa baching atachi wamang adok ni mandirang na mungsong bate report district ni mandirang namgijani ko raba gapa ungen. Aro yan chanan birang ko nusto khatna rama misuk kapaba ungen. Yan dal na kobra nga ni swing pasakanti kon metela.